Hi berries! Welcome to Berry Gems, where you can find your best beauty. Berry Gems is here to help you. Today, I'll teach you how to draw a round nose tip, how to create the delicate and refined feeling of a small, harmonious nose, achieving a full three-dimensional makeup look. First, let's draw a V shape at the tip of the nose. Then, invert it and draw another V, similar to forming a shape resembling a diamond. For beginners or those who are afraid of not mastering it well, you can use a smaller brush for more precision. Adding details, let's draw a shadow at the bridge of the nose. Here, take note. For those with wider eye spacing, make the bridge of the nose narrower, visually reducing the distance between the eyes. Next, from the bridge of the nose, sweep up to the brow ridge and blend back and forth. When blending, you can switch to a slightly looser brush. Then sweep down from the bridge of the nose, connecting to the tip of the nose. Next, overall, blend a few more times to soften the lines of the nose shadow. Emphasize the shadow at the bridge of the nose. Using a small brush, dip into matte highlighter to brighten the inner corner of the eyes. Then, blend up and down. The highlighted area is slightly larger. Next, apply another layer of pearlescent highlighter. If you start with a matte highlighter, this pearlescent highlighter will appear more vibrant and bright. For the highlight on the nose, use a dabbing motion horizontally. Brighten the bridge of the nose. Finally, take a loose brush, dip into matte highlighter, and tidy up the face. Smooth out the facial features. The entire makeup look will appear more refined. Have you learned it, ladies? Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.